Good afternoon. This is the video newsletter for buysellshort.com for Sunday, November 2nd. Great week for us in the market. 8,200 support held nicely. On Friday, we had our first close above the 20-day exponential since the market tank began back in late September. So that in itself is very bullish. RSI looks ready to break 50. We've got a strong MACD uptrend of note. Check out the ADX. We're looking at a possible cross in the next week if the market is able to hold off. And this would be the first time in a long time that we had such a cross. Stochastics broke up above 50. On balance volume is still bottomed out, but it looks to be getting ready for a move. Support now is the 8-day moving average at 8,800. That's been support and resistance over the last month or so. So if we do see a pullback after the election on Tuesday, we would need to see this 8,800 level hold. Flipping over to the daily chart, you can see since we had that golden cross about 8,700, we've had about an 800, 700, 800 point move off that. Things are pretty bullish going into Monday, but we've got the election on Tuesday, so that is the wild card here. If you check out the VIX, we had a breakdown of the VIX on Friday. We broke the uptrend line. We broke the 20-day exponential. That's the first break of the 20-day exponential since the market started tanking back in September. And so this should act as pretty strong resistance. We should see the VIX come down sharply in the coming couple of weeks. RSI looks ready to break 50, and with the VIX coming down, we should, quotation marks around the should, start to see these massive intraday moves that have become commonplace abate and not be as big. We should stop seeing these Dow plus 300, then minus 200 in 3 minutes moves that have become, everyday occurrences lately. US dollar tested the 20-day exponential, then bounced back. That caught a lot of the gold bulls and oil bulls and, you know, dollar bears off guard. This should continue. We should at least see a test of the highs, and oil should continue to trend lower. SMH looking great here. We broke the downtrend line from back in September. Resistance is the 50-day moving average now at 23.63. So we'd be looking for a move at least to 22.74 to $24 over the next couple of weeks, and that should make our SMH calls that we picked up early last week, they could be multi-baggers. Already we're up 100% on them. No reason why we can't see that go 2, 3, 400% on a move up to this area. RSI is getting up to 50. Strong MACD, strong on bounce volume, strong stochastic. So this one looks really, really good for the near term. Stock plays. As I mentioned in the midday update the other day, we started seeing a lot of momentum in the under $1 stocks. So for now, we're going to focus on that level. We could see some massive percentage moves on these with minimal downside risk. FNSR PE of 3 breakout would be, actually we're looking at a breakout as a close over 63 cents, target 74 and 85 cents on this one. We did have a positive MACD cross on this one today or on Friday, so that is very bullish. Stochastics still deeply oversold, RSI bouncing up as well. Another minimal, well, very good risk reward play is Radio One. This company is a turd. Let's get that off. Any of these penny stocks are turds right now. But stock's at 7 cents, actually 8 cents. So look at it as an option play. 8 cents. They report earnings this week. Upside target 25 cents. So you're looking at a 300% possible upside, 8 cents downside. Nice risk reward. RSI under 30. MACD had a positive cross on Friday. Last time we had a positive MACD cross, the stock went from 45 cents to 91. So 100% move in about 2 weeks the last time it did that. Stochastics oversold. So nice risk reward here, especially at 8 cents. I mean, if they go bankrupt, where are they going to go? Washington Mutual and Lehman Brothers went bankrupt, and they're at 8 cents. These guys are still in business. Sanmina, nice breakout on Friday. This is one of those stocks should not be down here. Target is 91 cents to a dollar on this one. RSI, nice uptick. Stochastics, ditto. Another nice penny play zone. This was $1 a couple of months ago. Breakout is a close over 14 cents. Target is 21 and 30 cents on this one. QI, we mentioned the other day at 18 cents, hit a high of 29 cents on Friday. Target is at least a move to the 8-day moving average, 36 cents, and then the 20-day exponential at 60 cents. RSI under 30, the same drill as the other plays. Stochastics deeply oversold. And if the market acts like I think it is, these penny stocks are starting to wake up. And when penny stock momentum picks up, especially this time of year, some really, really fast percentage moves can be seen. So you can double a small investment pretty damn fast playing stocks like these. Again, they are high risk. So, we're not going overboard on them, small to decent sized positions on them with minimal downside and nice upside, especially at these prices. Sirius Satellite Radio looks to be putting in a flag on its chart here. Breakout is a move above the 20-day exponential 43 cents, which should take it to 55 cents and 76 cents. This is another one of these stocks that should not be down here, totally beaten into the ground, and if we see penny stock momentum, this one will definitely participate. Just to throw out an over $1 stock, Nortel, NT, garbage company, they big sell off over the last month or so has gone from $4 down to 96 cents the other day. Breakout. I would look to pick this one up around its 8-day moving average or under. So 114 area would make for a nice add on this one with a 150 plus target. RSI looks ready to finally break above 30. That would be the first time since its tank back in early September. Stochastics about ready to break 20 as well. So this one could give a nice, 20 to 40% move near term. So keep a close eye on this one as well. Again, things look pretty damn good out there right now, but we've got the election on Tuesday. So, things might be a little bit muted, but we should not see a significant sell-off. We have an upside bias right now, which is also very positive for small cap stocks. If the indices hold flat and don't go in these crazy intraday moves, we should see a lot of small cap stocks, which is what we're focusing on, put in some nice moves. So that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the chat room tomorrow. Good night.